In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a sticker outline in Canva. This process is super easy and can be done in just a few minutes, even if you're completely new to Canva. So let's dive right in and get creative. First, we need to set up the perfect canvas for your sticker. Open Canva and look for the custom size option, usually right on the home page. By default, Canva uses pixels, but for stickers, I like to switch it to inches. Once you do that, set both the width and height to 3 inches. This creates a perfect square, giving you a nice balanced space for your design. After entering your dimensions, click on Create New Design and you'll see a blank canvas ready for your creativity. Now that our canvas is ready, let's add some fun elements. On the left side of your screen, click on Element. Here, you'll find a huge variety of graphics, shapes, and illustrations you can use. To make it easier, click on Graphics so you only see graphic elements. Browse through until you find something you like, then simply drag it onto your canvas. Here comes the exciting part, adding the sticker outline. Click on the graphic you placed on your canvas, then look for the Edit option. In the Edit menu, select Shadows and you'll see an option for Outline. Click on Outline and Canva will automatically apply a clean border around your graphic. You can customize this outline to make it perfect for your design. Under the outline settings, click the color icon to choose the shade you want. Experiment with different colors until it complements your design just right. You can also adjust the thickness of the outline with the slider. Move it left for a thin border or right for a thicker, bolder look. Play around with it until it looks exactly how you want. Once your sticker design is ready and you're happy with it, it's time to save your work. Click on Share in the top right corner, then hit Download. If you want your sticker to have a transparent background, which is perfect for printing or digital use, make sure to select the transparent background option. Keep in mind, this feature is only available for Canva Pro users. After that, just click Download again and your sticker is saved to your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom sticker outline in Canva, ready to use digitally or print out. It's simple, fun, and a great way to bring a personal touch to your projects. Thanks so much for watching and happy designing.